We are back on Dirk Hartog Island. It's been 2 years since our last visit and the ocean's been calling. Whoa, ho, 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 look at it go! Oh yeah! There's only so much reminiscing you can do until the itch needs scratching. The fish are here and we're ready to go to war with the sharks, get a few fillets in the freezer and some stories to tell. How do you feel? Chris and his bumper pinky. Join us as we embark on our week in God's country. My favourite place on earth, Dirk Hartog Island. Alright, first cast of the trip. Probably asking a bit much, but you never know.
No, that's not pinky. Oh,
Oh, mate.
you're fine.
I think I'm going to get... Oh, something there. Yeah. Yeah, here we go. Whoa!
Pinky?
I don't know, but she's off.
Good take.
Oh! Oh, shit. Bloody hell, mate. That was...
The same one I got.
Shit.
You did the same thing to me.
Yeah.
Fucking according
Woo!
What leader then you got the thing?
80. I think it took the lot. Like rig and swivel, and I get nothing back here. Oh my goodness. Alright, we'll try that again. Oh, here we go. Again.
Yeah, good.
God, I'm fighting like a mother. Yeah, I'm just trying to get it up.
You have a lot of line and hand them off.
God, get up. Yeah, I can see it.
Can you come a little back?
Oh, it's pink. Shit.
Can you come a little back? I can handle it up.
I got it up.
Yeah, but I need to.
Yeah.
You got to move back a little bit.
All right, here you go. You got it?
No, a little more.
A little more?
No, you stuck on the rope. One second. Just loosen your line a little bit.
Okay, loose. Yeah, good one. Bit more? Yeah, there you go.
Oh,
You want me to climb down? Hold my rod and I'll climb.
yes, it's stuck in it.
Yeah,
don't
hold the rod.
Oh,
Hold this.
I don't want to fall down.
Yeah. Just keep it there for a sec. Yeah. Wicked.
Ah,
That is what I'm talking about.
that's a fish, man.
Yes. Woo!
How many times will they escape?
Good one.
There we go.
That's on the scoreboard.
On the board.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, good one. Beautiful. Look at that. Probably maybe late 60s, pushing 70. Fantastic.
Pump it up and breathe. Pump it up. Gently, hold it nicely. Yeah. Yeah, that's what the fuck is going on. Okay, let's go. Oh shit. That's a good kick. Oh, yeah, okay. trying to get myself a footing.
Yeah, it's hard.
Ah. He's gone to the bottom.
Still on. You're right there at the base. Stop. Wait, 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 wait. You're on the rocks. Yeah, yeah. Just. Oh. Dropped it?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, that was a good catch.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Yep. Ah, damn it. I don't know, maybe. I think so, yeah. Well, we begin day 2 on the island by fishing the block. I'm going to start with a spin outfit this morning. I'm the first one here. The rest of the guys are still back at the shed getting ready. So I kind of got the place to myself at the moment. But I'm going to make the most of it. Today is the last day of the perfect weather before our front rolls in tomorrow. So we're expecting about a 5-meter swell, but today there's going to be bugger all wind and bugger all swell. So we'll hit the block first thing and probably head down to one of the low ledges this afternoon. They're usually pretty unfishable. We'll see how we go. Oh yeah. Oh man. Whoa, look at it go. Woohoo! What I come here for. Ah! Got off. Right, we're just about to walk up to Chris Ron Rock and try this spot. Block was a little bit quiet this morning, had a few hookups. Clinton caught a heap of trevally, but the rest of us came away empty-handed, so we're going to try a new spot. Okay, oh, you got him. Yeah, nice. Woo. There you go, you're on the board today.
Yep.
You're on? Alright, this looks a bit more serious. Alright, what do we got? Another pinky.
Yep.
Alright, reverse up. Oh, it's kind of gone. It's gone under that ledge.
Oh, let go.
Might get washed out. Yeah. All right, reverse up. He's still there on those rocks. Oh, this is not good. Nah, go. Drop it down. Need to get him to wash out a bit. There he is. Nah. He needs to like wash out and go to the right.
No, it's coming up there. Grab the light.
It's right on the rocks, mate. It's like right in a nook. Let it go down. It's right in a little like nook. The fish won't come up through that. See, you're right on it. You'll need to let it wash back out and then see if you can grab him around to the right.
Coming up.
What happens if you like let all the line loose? There you go, that might wash him out. Maybe not.
Yeah. Oh. I can do them all.
Oh, there it is.
Can I move back?
Nah, like...
Okay, come on, grab.
Okay. It's coming up. Hey, nice work.
Cheers, mate.
Oh. Oh, yep. Oh, God. Yeah, I need your help. That didn't take long. Whoa, ah, he got off. Damn it. All right, mate. Walk back. Walk back.
Walk back, Ronnie.
Yeah, pull it up.
There you go. Back,
Yeah,
Ronnie.
bit of ball. All right.
Walk back, Ronnie. Walk back. Yeah. Where is he?
Just in the captain. There's the line there, see it?
He's in the water.
Just there, the captain. If it came that side of the water, that's the captain.
Oh. He just got washed out.
Big one?
Big one, yes.
Yeah. Like the one I caught last night, the big one.
Yes, just like it.
The night of day 2, we had an absolute cracker of a session. We had, I think we landed about 12 pinkies, spango, a couple of smaller bits and pieces, but Chris did an absolute spectacular job of filleting the lot. I was on vac sealer duties, but we cleaned up last night, which was pretty good, just before the swell came in, and I made a mess of things. So we're on day 3 now, and as forecast, the weather's come in, so it is absolutely blowing. The swell's starting to pick up, and it's raining quite a bit, which is a first for us. So we're just making the most of a bit of a sightseeing day. We're at the lighthouse at the moment, trying to get some signal, and we're going to head over to Dampier's Landing in a bit, have a look around there, and maybe do some shark fishing if I can catch some bait. So Jerry and I, we've made it to Dampier's Landing, and the beach looks 50-50. We're going to give it a crack anyway. and see how far we get. The goal is somewhere near Cape Pavilion, and this is what we got in front of us. Wish us luck. Well, we're doing all right at the moment. Could be famous last words. Oh. Oh, this is not good. Come on. Hey, there we go. All right. It's those washouts here that seem to be the boggiest.
Yeah.
You just feel the
Isn't
car.
it? Yeah.
Yeah, right here. Back there was worse.
Yeah.
Turn, 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 turn. Don't go down there. Oh, I think we're gonna get bogged. Yeah. Yeah. Shit. Well, we made it to Cape Pavilion. A few little hairy spots. Car did not like that last little bit, but we're not bogged yet. Probably just having to dig that little bit out, but we're here. The old bucktail did not work, so we're going to switch to a soft plastic and see how that works out. It's a secret ingredient. Who doesn't like a bit of butt juice? Cool bobtail. You almost got turned into fruit leather, mate. Awesome colouring on him. Beautiful. Well, she's fucking blowing. Probably got about a 20 knot wind down here at the block. Gearing up for a evening session, but at least it's a southerly, so the water's looking pretty good. Swell's rising, probably sitting on about 3 meters or so at the moment, but still fishable. Oh, yep! Yep! Whoa! Shit! Ah! Fuck. Damn it! Someone unroll this!
Okay.
Ah! 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 2 hookups, double hookup. Fucking lost my lure though.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Ah! Alright, you take the rope, I'll take the gap.
I need gas one, gas one.
Alright, you ready? Nah, nah, just get your rod out of it. No, it's on the rocks, so it can be gentle, gentle. Oh yeah. Yeah, alright, it's a trevally. Bring a rod, bring a reel, go back, go back. I'm going to pause it here because any rock fisher worth his salt is going to pick up one major problem with this cliff gaff. Yep, those little rubber protectors, they're not supposed to be there. This gaff isn't going to work, but I don't know that yet. Go back. Alright, rope, rope, rope. More rope. Come on. Over. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm watching. Oh, it's fucking cliff now. Oh! Fuck. More rope! Yes! That's enough. Come on, you piece of shit. Oh, fucking dickhead. Alright, just go easy, go easy. Give me the, go back. Go back, go back, go back. I need the gaff. You're gonna need to go back a bit.
The gaff is locked because it's got things on it.
I know. Fucking dickhead. Here, take him. Alright, give it back. Bit more. Come on. Fucking numpty. There we go. Oh, he's falling off. Come on. Right, free spool. Free spool. Free spool.
Open up your bail arm. Open your bail arm.
Open it. Fuck. Oh, Jesus Christ. Someone grab that slack. Jesus Christ. Woo.
Thanks, Damien.
Oh mate, what a comedy of errors. Jesus Christ. That's the first time we've used the clippy this trip and we did everything wrong. Whoa! Yep! Yep! Need him to come this way a bit. Oh, you dirty fucking dog! I don't know. He just swam straight into the cliff and I knew what he was going to do. Ah. Yeah. Oh well. Re-rig. So do you remember those fish we caught last night? Well, we all enjoyed a restful night's sleep before spending the entire next day fishing, then came back to realise the freezer wasn't freezing. In fact, it wasn't doing anything. Turns out the battery powering it had somehow managed to drain all its juice without us noticing, turning off the compressor but still flashing its lights like a beacon of hope. We opened every bag and they all smelt like a combination of death and disappointment. Sadly, a few of those fish got turned into burley, so we went back out in the night to catch some replacements. Yeah, little fish. Nothing spectacular, but a fish. Oh, it just suddenly... Oh, grew legs. Shit. Yeah! Oh, God. Oh, I do not have a good vantage point here. Oh. Oh, you big bugger. Oh, this feels like a really good pinky. A really, really, really good pinky. Oh, swimming up. Well, I might have lost him. Yeah, he's still there, I think. Or he might not have. No, oh, what's going on here? No, I do have a fish, but it is not the fish I started with. Whoa, something. I think he swallowed this guy.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Looks big, innit?
Okay. Let's have a look at this. Holy moly.
That's a big fish trying to get this.
So, something, I hooked that,
Yeah.
and then it got eaten. And he looks a little bit worse for wear. Holy moly. Maybe I'll send this guy back down.
Yeah.
Why not? That was a hell of a fight. Alright, mate. You,
And I got tangled.
sadly, it doesn't look sharky, so whatever ate this guy, probably a fish. Oh, Jesus. There's actually something on my line. Yeah, guys. Yep. I did not see that one coming. This thing feels like an absolute brick. It's a stingray. Swimming like one too. Oh, that or a shark. Oh, oh goodness. Look at that bloody cod again. Oh, it's on the surface. Whatever it is. Ah, don't worry, it's just a shark. Yeah, it's just a shark. You see it down there? He's just there. Yeah. Oh shit. Out of the gimbal, yep.
Could be a shark, could be a thing that's caught as well.
Nah, it's a big bloody shark.
Oh, there, yeah, I can see the bug.
Yeah. Ah, big bugger. All right. Oh.
Shark is okay.
Ah, need to just snap my line. Come on, you brute. Oh. Why did I want to go sharking again? Yeah.
You need your drone now.
My drone? Oh. Thank you, shark.
Fuck, they know that.
Woo! Yeah, little tail whack. Broke the line. Thank you. And that's all she wrote.